Namaste. Welcome to our day 18 30 days yoga challenge. Today we will work a bit more on the back. Make sure that you have one rope prepared. So measure your rope as wide or slightly less wide than your hand. So this time gonna be slightly less wider. Then bring the hand up and back. Rotate your shoulders, shoulder blades, back, forward, back, forward. This will release any tension that you probably received by sleeping in wrong position or sitting on a desk all day long. Now the same movement we're going to do, but this time you are going to do as if you're lifting the weight, and after that you bringing the weight down. So this time your hands, elbows are bent, then lifting the weight up and then forward, up and back, as down as you can, up again, forward, up and back, up and forward. That's good. Now you can extend the rope a bit more and bring the hands up. Inhale. As you exhale, bring your right hand down, left arm up, bring your chest towards the sky, and after that try to bring your chest as much rotation as you can to bring it towards the sky. Back to the center. Chain to the other side, left side. Inhale and exhale. Back to the center. Inhale, exhale. Back to the center. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Back to the center. Release the rope and go into downward dog. We are going to roll the back. So from downward dog, you're going to bend the knee, go into the plank, and back to downward dog. Bend the knee, forward, plank, downward dog. And we can do it rhythmically now. See what feels the best to you. If any movement changed, feel better, then you can go ahead and do that. Now the other way around. So forward, plank, and back to plank. Bring the knee down, and then take your right knee out as possible and back, out and back. Let's do 5 times altogether. Other side. Good. Come down and lift the left knee up. Grab with your right hand. Lift your head up, leg up and hand up. Change the side. Inhale, lift up. Down. Sit onto your knees and roll on the back. So this time we are sitting on the feet. Go back. See how does it feel. If you can not go further, you can go ahead, stay in here and enjoy the stretch onto your front thigh, onto your back, probably on your shoulders also when you're placing your elbows in this position. But if you can go all the way, go ahead, support with your hands and very slowly go down. Stretch your arms out. Good. And come back. Support with your hand and very slowly go up. And open your feet away from your hips. Go back again. Then hold your ankles or heel with your hand. Lift your hips up, head back, and drop the hip down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Lift. Exhale down. And lie onto your back. Grab your ankles, chin towards the chest, and then inhale, lift your hips up all the way. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then bring your right foot onto your left thigh. Grab your left thigh with your hand and try to bring the leg towards you. At the same time, right elbow is pushing onto your right thigh away from the body. Good. Change. Exhale down. Then hold your knee with your hands and rotate your hip. Other side. That's good. Then stretch your legs out. And let go for at least 30 seconds. You can relax as long as you want. you want to relax longer, depends on how much time you have today's practice. Whenever you're ready, gently sit up. Prepare yourself for today's routine. Give thanks and prayer pose. And gently open your eyes. Namaste.